if Trump garners this peace deal because Russia has just accepted a ceasefire and so has Ukraine. If Trump brings a ceasefire with Russia and Ukraine, he ought to win the Nobel Peace Prize. Because remember, we gave the Nobel Peace Prize to Obama, who did nothing. Nothing. He didn't bring no end to no wars. He did nothing. Obama did absolutely nothing and won the Nobel Peace Prize. If Trump stops and brings peace with the war between Ukraine and Russia, he deserves the Nobel Peace Prize. He's already stopped it with it. He's already done so much with Israel and Gaza and that situation. If he can stop 2 wars during his presidency, he deserves two peace prizes. And so nobody's talking about the things that he's doing on the left. Nobody's giving him credit for any of it because they're too busy hating him. They're too busy trying to shut down the government. They're too busy trying to be an obstructionist party instead of celebrating anything that he's done good at all.